Good morning mga palangga. Mag-harvest tayo ng blueberry karon kay marag madunot na good ni siya og di natin i-harvest. Meron akong blueberry, maliit na blueberry. Mag-harvest tayo at may harvest. May nalaman. Matamis din ito guys, kahit maliit siya. Matamis siya, natikman ko na ito dati. Mag-harvest tayo kasi sayang. Hi, Kaordenak. Come here. Ano, blueberry. Come. Nete, look, oh. Get this, you can get this. Ah. Sorry. It's alright. You can get also this one. Can you say hi to my video? Hello video. Hello everybody. Hello everyone. This is my strawberry. No, it's my blueberry. Yeah, my blueberry. Actually, we have here strawberry, little strawberry. Say hi to my vlog na. Hello, this is my daughter Aika. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. You can speak. Don't be shy. You can speak. And smile. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. This is what are you harvesting?
Blueberry.
Yes, blueberry. Do you want to eat? Do you want to eat blueberry? We have to wash it first, okay?
I got the bottle.
Tembrara. Okay.
Nemo mala alu kaya mala tolo.
Sorry, wana mata karane. Next time.
Kako mo testa. Kako mo. Ito.
Actually, we have a lot of plants here. This is raspberry. I have raspberry, strawberry, almost dying.
Kaya mo?
It's a plant. We are digging our plant. After harvesting, we're going to dig our plant because it's so hot here in Japan. This is my plant. This is my plant. This plant is giving me I received it from Che. Thank you very much for this plant. Hi, come here. Can you say thank you to Cherry Pie with that plant?
Thank you.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, that's also.
Cherry pie.
Yes, that we received that from Cherry Pie.
Cherry pie. Thank you.
Cherry Pie, thank you very much. Say thank you, Cherry Pie. That came from Ate G. Say thank you, Ate G, for this beautiful plant.
Thank you.
Yes, it's so we need to that na. You are so beautiful, Aika. I love you very much. Now, let's dig our plant, Aika. Let's dig our plant. Okay. Wala kasi tayong stand, Aika.
No!
Saan bang maganda iyan?
Wala. Kaya wala?
Yes. My little princess is doing the plant. Right.
Oba, saan no planto wa?
And this one also, Aika.
これもかわいいね。これもやっていい？
Okay.
And
All of that na. Yes.
これちょっとね。
And then the other one. Yes. That's one.
てる？てる？てる？かー。ここ？
Yes. All of that na. All of them.
これ？
All of them.
なくなった。
Okay. Let's put another water.
ここ。
Sige na. Mag-dig ka na ng plant.
Sorry.
It's alright. My little princess digging the plant. Do you love flowers? Do you love flowers?
いっぱいすぎちゃった。いっぱいすぎちゃっ
Ay, mamamatay anak.
た。あ、
Malumos.
これは大きいからもういいや。
Hmm.
間違えちゃった。
So this na. But it's alright.
もうなくなるから終わっ
Hmm.
た。まだ水欲しい。
Huh?
水。
It's already here.
まだ。
What are
今
there?
度はこれさ、なんか。
Next time. Next time.
今度はこれ。今度はこれだけ。
Kari dake.
はい、手洗う。手洗う。
You want to wash your hands? Okay, enough
ここ
na.
もいっ
It's enough
入れるのでこっち。いっぱい
Ipay. Okay. Slowly. And put. Alright. Good one. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next video. Thank you.